Hi, good morning guys. Hope you guys having a blessed day. Beautiful Monday morning. Little overcast, cool this morning. Love the weather. We got this to do today. Gonna give it a nice detail. And I want to finish my little project this morning. As you can see, I already got that dialed out, sanded, ready for polish. This is nice and clean too.
I just picked up the detailing supplies. We're kind of running low on everything, so I just restocked. Nice, pretty penny. But this stuff is the best, guys. This Shine Supply stuff. I've said it before, I'll say it again. You guys are about to see it in action on a Radon. Giving it a nice polish. Stay tuned. All right, everyone, so you can see we've got this boat out of the yard so we can start the detailing process on it, and it's a nice day to do so. Chezzy's gonna be working on that inflatable boat over there, finishing that thing up. I'm gonna start washing this puppy down. We got all of our Shine Supply products here that we're gonna be using on this boat today. We're gonna wash it all first with the soaps. We've got the Hot Shot and the Smooth Move decontaminator. So we're going to use that first, get all the junk off of the gel coat surface. And then this boat hasn't been done in a while, so we're going to probably start out with this heavy cut, get rid of a bunch of the deeper stuff, get down to that pure gel coat with no haze or anything in it, and probably follow it up with the chop top. And then the final step will be this wake up one-step polish, and then we'll go around to all the stainless and we'll polish it up with this Cloud 9. And then the final step's going to be this trim sauce for the bow rail, the black bow rail. It's going to make that thing look brand new. And then we'll shine up the tires and wheels, and we'll use this decked out tire dressing on the tires. So you guys will see how we get to use all this. It's a big boat, so we're gonna get started on it right away.
Man said it's a big boat.
Yeah.
Big boat, huh?
Daddy, it's a ship.
So yeah, I'm gonna get cracking at it. You guys will be there with me, then better me than you.
Peace sign, bunny ears, fake wiener.
All right, so the first step of this whole process is washing the entire boat down, putting on that decontaminating Smooth Move, which is gonna eat away all the oxidation and just salty air and water that's ever been on this thing. Should eat up some of the iron that etches itself onto the surfaces. So that'll be the first step. Alright, so I've kind of got the whole inside hose down. I did the Smooth Move kind of on all the floor in there and everything, just sprayed it on most of this rust. And that Smooth Move just kind of pulls it right out. So I've kind of got this set up as an example right here. You can see that rust stain was all the way across the bottom, and it is just eating it alive. Eating it alive.
Rust.
Rust.
Alright, well that's actually really on there. That's not good.
Venha logo que eu quero só contigo rolar e te amar. Nada vai mudar você, é por isso. Venha logo, não tem jeito, eu te aceito.
See it just reacting with all this rust, guys. This is also getting all sorts of other decontaminants off. A little bit goes a long ways, but this boat's got a lot of rust on it, so giving it the full treatment here. All right, so you can see this stuff is just working its magic. All the contaminants, irons, and all sorts of stuff. Fish guts.
Fish guts?
Fish guts. You cannot let this product dry on paint or anything. Gotta wash it off. This is probably one of the harshest products they make, but man, does it just kick ass, dude.
Kick ass.
All right, it's starting to dry. It's hot out here. It's probably 75 or so. Also, you don't want to blast this stuff right back on you, so you gotta be careful. You just really want to rinse this stuff off, guys. You do not want this stuff to dry on. Mano, ¿qué pasa?
Nada. Nice, huh?
Uh-huh. All right, she is fully washed down. Everything is looking really good, ready now to buff. Start cutting on this thing. Wait for the sun to go down maybe a little bit. All right, so now actually changing plans. I'm not gonna do the inside, I'm gonna do the outside. I'm gonna start doing the whole sides, and I'm gonna start using the heavy cut because on the whole sides it's pretty bad. So I'm gonna dump this into a cup, and you're gonna all watch me try to do this one-handed. Don't have too much. Drop it. I'm using a brush. Does not say to do this, but this is typically how I've always done my buffer prep. Kind of just knead it in with the brush.
Knead it like a pizza. I'm kneading it, but don't eat it.
That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Resort to what I know best. With the edges too. We tend to put on edges a lot. All right, let's see how this goes. Just want to spread it all the way around, all over the buffer pad.
That's it, boy. Get in there nice and deep like.
That's good? Yeah? Perfect, yeah. Yeah, it's good, man.
Thank you, sir.
What? Now view the wall, yo, the makina that I have, yo.
What did he say?
All right, let's see what it'll do to this big old scratch right here. Let's see if the heavy cut knocks it down a little bit without sanding it. Let's see. Actually, you know what? Well, I mean, the scratch is pretty deep, but it cleaned it up a little bit. All right, so now I'm gonna follow up the heavy cut with this Wake Up One Step Polish and Protect. This stuff is gonna work amazing. I'm gonna put it on the DA polisher, and then I'm gonna just go to town on the entire side of the boat right here so we can get this whole side sealed up. So this little moisture that's coming in tonight is not gonna, stick back on the boat. Alright, so got all the polish on, got it polished up edge to edge of where I did all the rubbing compound, and man, it smells good. It smells really good, but man, yeah, we just gotta rub some of the polish off. That's about it. So tomorrow we're gonna finish this entire thing. Long day.
be a long
It's
day.
gonna be a long day if it went like today.
See you tomorrow.
There it is.
It's time.
All right, so we're back on the Radon, Radon Craft, and just finishing up the detail in here. We're doing the inside of the house, pilot house right now. Getting into the nitty gritty with the little polisher. Clean this baby up, make it look brand new.
You don't know.
310 an hour. I don't know nothing. I don't have to.
Kind of got into a part of the hole here where it's stained. You can see it's got like a rust stain or fuel or something, but should be able to buff this all the way out and you'll never be able to see it. It started up here and I was able to get it out. So it was like running down right here and then straight down. And it will not, look at that guys, it will not come off. So let's see what this buffer is gonna do right now. Alright, I can't see anything. Oh man, you guys got coated. Here, let me get that for you. Man, this boat is looking amazing right now. Amazing.
Wow! Beautiful!
Alright, just had a nice little lunch break. And now this is going to be the hardest part, is the transom area. A, because it's really hard to get in at all these angles. And there's tons of fittings all over the place, and the swim steps in the way. And then when you get down here, everything is sharp as all get out, so you don't want to bump into anything or you end up cutting your hand open like I did the other day.
Nada vai mudar você e é por isso. Venha logo, não tem jeito, eu te aceito. Venha logo que eu quero só contigo rolar e te amar. Nada vai mudar você e é por isso. Venha logo, não tem jeito, eu te aceito. Venha logo que eu quero só contigo rolar.
Alright, so I totally freaking forgot about this rust stain down here. See if I can get it off with this hole cleaner. Hopeful. Rinse off after, which I'm just gonna use a wet rag so I don't want to blast water all over the place. I'd say it's working. I think I'm pretty good back here for this part. I'm gonna let that rust stain area dry a little bit. Give this thing a little spit shine on there. Let's see. Alright, one side done. It looks pretty darn good actually. I gotta get a microfiber. Alright, we're just gonna keep buffing. Got the starboard side now.
Alright guys, she's looking good. Just gonna go over again, clean her up. As you can see, even got some blood stain still on it from the tunas, rockfish, lingcod, something. So this is the before and that little piece is the after, but we guys gonna show you everything. You don't know. A little blood on the side too from the murder scene.
Uh-oh, looks like there was a murder!
You gotta have a little fun with it, guys. You can't be bored. You gotta be fun, and you guys know what I'm saying. Check it out, guys. When you see that again, this is gonna be shiny. Leave a comment down below. Overboard, you don't know.
How about I just go eat some hay? I can make things out of clay and lay by the bay I just made.
Alright, so we're just gonna now wake up all over everything up here, because this is all looking beautiful right now. So we're just gonna rub this on, let it dry, and then you buff it off. Just a little bit. You want it to spread a thin layer everywhere. Alright, Chesney. Well, this was not the most fun job in the world.
But it was nice.
It was nice. We got it done.
Not a nice boat. We got it done. She's shiny, and we're gonna see how happy the owner is gonna be.
Yep,
I think
exactly.
we did a really good job.
lot of work.
She looks good.
Yeah. Alright, bringing it back.
Yeah.
Peace.
Peace sign, bunny ears, fake wiener.